Look, Edward, you gotta give me some answers.
Yes. No. Maybe so. To get to the other side, 1.77245, George W. Bush, the river of Naboombu, a duck goes quack, no mother you're not wearing, that dress to my party.
Stop fooling around, Edward. You saved my life. Are you going to tell me how you stopped the van?
Yeah. I had an adrenaline rush. It's very common. You can ask Jeeves.
You don't expect me to believe it, do you? There's no possible way you can be that fast and strong. You're 17.
Yes. Of course I am. Oh, Bella, I love this song.
Yes, it is beautiful.
Shall we dance? What is it?
I can't dance.
Well, I could always make you.
I'm not scared of you.
Ha 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 ha. Well, you really shouldn't have said that.
What are you doing?
Making you dance.
You can't. I won't.
You will dance, or I will tell everybody you cry in your sleep.
Please.
Dance. Very good. But try moving your hips a little more.
Edward, please.
I said move your hips. Bella, stop that. You look stupid.
Will you tell me the truth now?
No, probably not. I'd rather hear your theories.
I have considered radioactive spiders and kryptonite, brain damage, ninjas, transsexualism, vampires, Jehovah's Witness.
Wait. What did you just say?
Jehovah's Witness.
Oh, okay. But what if I'm not part of a Christian religious movement? What if I'm a Muslim?
You're not.
Look, Bella. I only said it would be better if we weren't friends, not that I didn't want to be.
What does that mean?
It means if you're smart, you'll stay away from me.
What does that mean?
I just told you.
Edward, I think I know what you are. You're impossibly fast. And strong. Your skin is pale white and ice cold. Your eyes change color. And sometimes you speak like you're from a different time. You never eat or drink anything. You don't go into the sunlight.
So what? I take steroids, I come from a family of albinos, my grandfather was Shakespeare, and I'm anorexic and allergic to sunlight.
Or maybe you're just a vampire.
That's preposterous. You're crazy. Stop being so crazy. Don't you realize people are going to think you're crazy? And sick.
Okay, so you're not a vampire. But there's something about you, Edward. Hey, did you get contacts?
No.
Your eyes were black the last time I saw you. And now they're like golden brown.
You racist.
What?
You disgust me, Bella. Leave. Leave and never come back.
But Edward.
No. I can't even look at you. Just go.